Radio City Center Stage.
रेडियो सिटी है, मैं दिव्या हूँ एंड मेरे साथ आज ऑफ कोर्स व्हेनेवर देयर इज अ वीडियो आई हैव अ स्पेशल गेस्ट इन द स्टूडियो. मेरे साथ डॉक्टर संजय श्रीवास्तव हैं, एमडी मानव रचना यूनिवर्सिटी. एंड एवरी टाइम आई टॉक टू समबडी जो एक एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट से जुड़े हैं तो मैं थोड़ी ज्यादा इमोशनल हो जाती हूँ बिकॉज आई हैव इमेंस रिस्पेक्ट फॉर एजुकेशन, फॉर टीचर्स. तो सर पहले तो शुक्रिया हमसे बात करने के लिए, धन्यवाद हमसे हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. थैंक यू सो मच सर.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद दिव्या जी. मानव रचना पोर्टल पे आपका और आपके रेडियो स्टेशन का भी बहुत बहुत स्वागत है.
सर यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में सब जानते हैं, यू नो इट्स वन ऑफ द टॉप यूनिवर्सिटीज राइट नाउ. डिफिकल्ट टाइम है, सब कुछ उनके बारे में मैं जरूर बात करूंगी, लेकिन सबसे पहले स्टूडेंट्स, बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ पेरेंट्स एंड स्टूडेंट्स विल बी वाचिंग दिस, किस तरह से सर स्टूडेंट्स को तैयार करते हैं उनके फ्यूचर के लिए मानव रचना यूनिवर्सिटी अक्रॉस ऑल सब्जेक्ट्स?
दिव्या जी, मानव रचना अपने आप में एक बृहद विश्वविद्यालय है और पिछले 25 वर्षों का इस साल हम अपने 25वीं सिल्वर जुबली सेलिब्रेट करेंगे और ये विश्वविद्यालय हमारे स्टूडेंट्स का है. और एक हमारी फिलॉसफी हमारे फाउंडर डॉक्टर ओपी भल्ला ने दी, आवर यूनिवर्सिटी इज एज गुड एज यू मेक इट एज ए स्टूडेंट. So whatever people know about us, it is the work of our students and their teachers, their faculty members. And we also make a point to go beyond professional boundaries. We stand for two important pillars in the university. The first is character and second is competence. So if you ensure that the graduates of the university, they carry good character, they become a good brother, good sister, good husband, good wife, good son, good daughter, and at the end of the day, a proud citizen of the country. For sure we are doing our work. Because काम तो जो कर रहे हो, जो पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, कभी वेस्ट नहीं जाती. पर आप कितने भी अच्छे पढ़ाई कर लो और अगर आप एक अच्छे बिटिया नहीं हो और एक अच्छे संतान नहीं हो तो शायद हमारा पर्पस डिफीट हो गया. ये हमारी फिलॉसफी का एक अहम हिस्सा है.
मुझे वही लगता है कि एक अच्छे इंसान बने, सर यही कह रहे हैं, बाकी चीजें ऑटोमेटिकली इट फॉल्स इन प्लेस. सर आज के टाइम पे वी ऑल फोकस अबाउट द लीडरशिप, कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड के लिए तैयारी करनी है स्टूडेंट्स को. किस तरह से इम्बाइब करवाते हैं वो क्वालिटी सर कि आपके स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं वो कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड के लिए बिल्कुल तैयार होकर निकले?
See, I often say this on many platforms that we groom industry-ready professionals. The basic purpose of our existence is to serve the organization and the society.
Right.
And when you enter to the portals of Manav Rachna as a student, we conduct in the orientation program itself a series of psychometric tests. And your complete psychometric profiling shall be handed over to your respective mentor, who would be your mentor, a vertical mentor to you as a student for rest of your program. So if you are here, say in dental college for 5 years, or in architecture for 4 years, or in your say commerce program or management program for 2 years, during your stay on campus, that faculty would be your mentor from your entry to exit. And they have to develop on 5 important softer areas where all of us are conscious and we have decided to have a subliminal level. First is communication.
Right, sir.
Second is collaboration. अगर अच्छा communication आएगा तभी collaboration समझ आएगा. अच्छा कोलैबोरेशन होगा तो आपके कमिटमेंट को लोग अप्रिशिएट कर पाएंगे. Right. और अगर आपका कमिटमेंट भी है, कोलैबोरेशन भी है, कम्युनिकेशन भी है और कामनेस नहीं है आपके अंदर, अगर आप शांत नहीं हैं और अंततः कंपैशन, अगर आपके अंदर करुणा भाव नहीं है तो इन सारी चीजों की जितनी चीजें हम कर रहे हैं ये अपने आप में व्यर्थ है. So we ensure that when our graduate goes out of the portal of Manav Rachna, he or she becomes a complete package for the family, for the organization and for the country.
जब भी स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं, खासकर with every passing year, the first question they ask placements का क्या होगा, what will happen with the placements. So any specific firms that you would want to talk about जो आते हैं मानव रचना के साथ been hiring people?
See, placement is one of the biggest tests before any university.
Yes.
And how your students perform at the end of their program is the ACIP test, or that is the test of your competence as a university.
Absolutely.
So we are a large university, and we have a huge corporate resource center, and in that corporate center we have a separate vertical in the university which ensures, we call them as career development center. They are the custodian of those 5 C's which I talked to you.
Right.
So those CDC, along with our corporate resource center, they ensure that the best of the companies come to campus.
Right.
So if I have to name those companies to you, like some good IT companies, they come to campus. Like if I say, talk about Capgemini in the area of IT and IT services, Capgemini, Cognizant, TCS, Infosys, Newgen Software, ADP, HCL Technologies, Amazon, and Infogain. So I have a huge list, Accenture, Wipro, and many more. And we ensure that once they hire our graduates, we take feedback from them quarterly, biannually, and annually. Because if they are the satisfied organization only, then they will revisit your campus again.
Yes.
Similarly, when we talk about our other core branches of engineering, so depends whether we are talking about mechanical, civil, aeronautical, whatever areas are we referring to. So we invite companies as per their requirement. So we have companies like real estate organization like Sterling Tools, Denso, Tyson, Indigo, Samsung Display. So again, it's a huge list. When we go to management school, you will find that Burger Paints, HDFC, Federal Bank, Kotak Bank, Infogain, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank. So again, a digital, if we could talk about digital education, so Byju's is one of our good recruiters. So we have a huge list. Again, when we go to biotech, physiotherapy, nutrition, dietetics, and dentistry, we have a set of hospitals and many biotech firms. They come from Hyderabad and Bangalore and they recruit our students. So
Wow.
we are also conscious as a university that once they have traveled all the way, you have to give them good professionals. So we have companies like Clove Dental, Artemis Hospital, Dr. Shikha, Nutri Health, NutriMe, and there are so many biotech companies, Xyla Healthcare, Jindal Biotech. So I can tell you umpteen number of companies are there. You need to have requisite competence. Job is
Right.
not an issue.
Sir, एक network होता है जो alumni का. Are they also very active in guiding the students in the current batches?
As I said to begin with, this university is of students.
Right.
ये विश्वविद्यालय हमारे उन बच्चों का है जिनके नाम से विश्वविद्यालय की मर्यादा पूरे देश में विख्यात है.
Right.
और ये हमारा एक कॉन्शियस एफर्ट होता है कि जितने हमारे एल्यूमिनाई हैं, जितने हमारे पूर्व छात्र हैं, छात्राएं हैं, वो हमारे प्रोग्राम का एक अहम हिस्सा रहें. सो राइट नाउ व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट एकेडमिक, थोड़ा एकेडमिक भाषा का प्रयोग कर रहा हूं, वी हैव बोर्ड ऑफ स्टडीज. Okay, they decide what kind of curriculum you are teaching in the university. So from board of studies to recruitment, if you look at the complete value chain, you will find alumni, they play a major role. Whether we talk about computer science, whether we talk about dentistry, whether we talk about management, or we talk about media, or whether we talk about whatever sphere of education you talk about university, everywhere you will find alumni. And in our convocation also, you will glad to know that our alumni are invited. They become a part of the procession, and when convocation ends, the senior alumni, they induct the graduates on that very day as their own members of the alumni of the university. So this is a very rich tradition, and it's a awesome ceremony to watch when alumni induct newcomers in the Hall of Fame.
Wow. It's a very warm and it's a very, very welcoming sort of setup for everybody. और मुझे लगता है evolve करना भी better होता है जब सब साथ मिलके आगे बढ़ते हैं. And obviously the guidance that comes from the alumni is certainly worth it. Sir, new education policy के साथ curriculum का अगर हम थोड़ा alignment की बात करें, how are they aligned, the approach that you're following, the multidisciplinary approach?
Say majority of private universities of our country, from past many years, without saying so, they are following what you say, that multidisciplinary or interdisciplinary approach in their organization. If you come to our university, you will find that we do a lot of innovation, research related work, and you will find that a student of IT working together with a student of dentistry, and they developed an app which will help the doctors, especially when they bend beyond a point while treating a patient in dentistry. After that delta T, where you have to correct your posture, the alarm bell will come. So what I say, that multidisciplinary and interdisciplinary approach is very much part of our university. Now we got the formal guidelines. I am also working at Government of Haryana level and Government of India level into various committees of the government, where I also given my input how to prepare the complete roadmap for the implementation program for the universities. So in that context, we have geared ourselves how to prepare our students for the certificate program, for the diploma program, for a degree program. So that value chain, because it talks about multiple entry, multiple exit, right, and it's going to be a very fascinating education program where you have to prove on a daily basis like a new T20 one-day match.
Right, sir. Also, sir, because you talk about certification, diplomas, there's a lot of research that goes behind anything good. If I ask about the research infrastructure for the students, किस तरह से provide करती है university, sir?
Again, I'm happy to share that we have a culture of what we call RIC, Research Innovation Cluster. Okay, so when you enter in the university, like psychometric profiling, you are also a part of the RIC team in the university. So whatever you are doing, for example, let me take you to the dental college. Okay, so it's a 5-year program. Every dental college of the dental college of the country, they produce BDS at the end of the year.
Right.
Now, how our university is differentiating our dental students. So across the university, we have introduced the concept of RIC, Research Innovation Cluster, where they are monitored by a set of researchers at the central level of the university, and they ensure that what is your quarterly, biannually and annual progress, which is reported to me at my chairmanship. Okay, right. So it serves the multiple purpose, because as a university we believe in win-win game. As an individual, it is adding to your CV that after 1 year you have added 1 research paper to your credit. After some time you have added 2 blocks to your credit, and you belong to which university. That also ensures that your research index as a university goes up. So it's a complete win-win game where faculty, student is benefited, faculty is benefited, and at the end of the day, university is benefited. And in that growth of the university lies the growth of our country. As a country, how I am contributing as a university to our country. That makes the big difference. If you know the mission of our university, the purpose of our university to contribute for the nation building, then all of you are aligned with a similar purpose.
Yes. One question that I would ask, especially because parents, students, ye jankar, I think, it's always lucrative. Sir, what sort of international collaboration, matlab institutions hai connected, the top Indian companies with Manav Rachna University?
दिव्या जी, मैं उनसे पहले एक बात अपनी तरफ से कहना चाहता हूं कि भारत सरकार के द्वारा हमारे पूरे यूनिवर्सिटी में we have a very popular entrepreneurship program in the university.
Wow.
So one phase is that you want to have a job. We groom you as an employee. Okay. And on the other hand, we will groom you as an entrepreneur of tomorrow. So we have under Newgen IDC, what we call Newgen Innovation and Entrepreneurship Developmental Center under the aegis of National Science and Technology Entrepreneurship Development Board, NSTEDB बोलते हैं इसको, Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. They have given us 2.67 crores, okay, to groom and nurture entrepreneurs exclusively. So I am happy to share with you that so far we have groomed 27 startups.
Wow.
It is monitored by government, monitored by state government, and nurtured by our own set of people who are the friends and industry partners, angel investors who groom them, these startups in totality. So we give them an atmosphere where you want to take a train towards employership or a train which prepares you for employership. Purely your choice as a student, and nothing is imposed from our side. Your life, you decide for yourself, because onus of learning would be on you.
Yes.
Coming back to the question of international collaboration,
Ji.
This is the era of internationalization. So we have in university, there are certain exchange programs for our students across the globe with some of the branded names in the world. Their students come to us and our students go there. And we have few popular programs with AIS New Zealand, where our students, they go for 8 to 10 weeks. They study there and they also get a lot of facility, especially in the placements too, in New Zealand. And they also help you for immigration also. So it is quite a lucrative program in the university from past 10-12 years. Especially we have a program with Algonquin College, Canada. So it is also a very popular one from past 15 years or so. So their faculty come and teach here, our students go there. So we believe in many exchanges, but life before COVID and life after COVID, it has redefined education and internationalization.
Yes.
Earlier, you have to plan in a big way. Now, every university, every student, every family will weigh the pros and cons, whether I can talk to you right now and do everything what I have to do when I travel to Ottawa, Canada to do the same work.
Right.
Okay. So it is redefining itself. So we have a lot of internationalization, and it is our students' choice in which part of the world they wish to go. We give them a complete facilitation program. We have our Manav Rachna International Center. They ensure that the whole process takes place smoothly.
इतनी डिटेल में यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में चीज बताइए, but there's one question that I ask personally to all the people I interview, especially the leaders. Sir, it's been a very difficult 2-year journey है पिछली जो लॉकडाउन कोविड की रही है. As a leader, how do you stay motivated, sir?
To be honest with you, I am an ardent follower of Lord of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, and I have written a book on leadership. And every day, it is your renewal mechanism which ensures your happiness.
Yes.
Okay. So it is your renewal mechanism. When I say I follow a physical renewal system, I give 1 hour plus to my own body. If I am healthy, Only then I can talk to anybody and I can talk to the world, if I can talk to myself. I ensure that I renew myself on the social front. All the stakeholders who are connected, all the faculty members, those who are teaching or non-teaching, I am always connected with them. I know their well-being, I know their anniversaries and their birthdays, and I ensure that I get connected with them because they are the movers and shakers of the university.
Yes.
Okay. The third is intellectual renewal. How you renew your own self, that you find meaning in your day-to-day thing. What is your daily, weekly, monthly reading package where you update yourself? Because we are in the era of abundance knowledge, but wisdom has become a serious scarcity. So how you ensure that you smile and you carry the wisdom part with you? And lastly, the above all is the spiritual renewal. When you are connected with the Supreme and you talk to the chosen Almighty, whomsoever you worship, and you surrender yourself to that axiomatic behavior and you enjoy the reunion with the Lord. That is the crux of my own life. Na danyam, na palayanam. Okay, neither self-pity nor escapism. Okay, and it is purely your choice.
Yes.
Get frustrated or get excited. Situation is same.
It is so nice to talk to you, sir. And I'm not exaggerating. I loved this conversation. And I hope to see you soon sometime, sir, when things are a little better.
You are most welcome. Thank you. Pleasure
Thank
talking
you.
to you.